Hello guys, Joni here, Shotgun Kitty, and first of all let me explain this dump pile. It's really a scrap metal dump pile. We clean it up about every 3 weeks or so. There's generally nothing in there that would harm the environment very long, so for all you environmentalist folks out there, don't worry too much about it. We turn that scrap in for extra money each month. So, anyway, getting to the means of this video, at the request of a subscriber, he wanted to see how a ball and cap revolver would do against the washing machine versus like what the 45 ACP done yesterday. Now I'll go ahead and tell you it's probably not going to penetrate as deep because I'm shooting pure lead round balls out of it. However, the Ruger Old Army is a very, very powerful ball and cap revolver. And I got the balls seated on 45 grains of 777 3F. And I've heard reports that this particular load gives velocities over 1,300 feet a second, which would put the 143 grain round ball well into 357 Magnum territory. And I've heard of people compressing 40 grains of 777 under a 220 grain bullet for 1,200 feet a second, and that's borderline 44 Magnum stuff. So the Ruger is definitely powerful. So it may make it through, but it would surprise me if it did. Just off the premises is these round balls are like 99% pure lead, so they're really soft. But we'll see. I'm 7 yards away. Let me take a couple of pops. I'm going to shoot a little bit lower so I know the difference. There's 2 holes in it already from yesterday from the 45 ACP. They'll be up top. Oh, don't like. These are CCI caps, and this gun's made for Remington. Golly, what a hole it put in it. It put a lot bigger hole in it than the 45 ACP. Let's put one more in it. Look, that's not good. That's never a good sign. This gun is designed for Remington number 10 caps. These are CCI number 10, and they do not fit this gun well. If you get a Ruger Old Army, do not use CCI number 10s. They suck on this particular firearm. Would you believe that? I put it in the same hole. Let's try one more since I went into the same hole. There we go. Told you it's accurate though, putting it in the same hole like that and all. Okay, so that's the first 2 shots right there in that same hole. And then that's the bottom shot by comparison. That's the 45 ACP 230 grain full metal jackets. Those round balls really open up. As predicted, the round balls did not make it through. Both sides, except for I shot twice. Where I hit in the same hole, it actually made it through. Hit my finger in there, hoping I don't cut it. you can see, what did make it through, it just disintegrated. That round ball just busted it all to pieces. So, no, the pure lead's not going to penetrate better than a full metal jacket. That's a given, but if you saw the hole it makes and the way it just tears up, it's going to mess up flesh and bone a lot worse. That's why they banded soft lead bullets for military use. Well, let's see if hiding behind a nearly 2-inch thick tabletop would save you. Gotta use better caps. Alright, let's see what we done. Got a really good grip on it. Okay, that's where I hit. Fairly good grip. 7 yards away. That's how thick it is. It's pretty thick. And you would have been dead. Very dead. It even penetrated into the washing machine. How about that? Both of them. That's a lot of wood. And some metal. Excuse me, sinuses are screwing up. That's a lot of wood and a lot of metal to go through for a pure lead round ball. And as predicted, it did not make it through the other side of this stair. But it'd be awful inside the human body bouncing around in there. Or wild game. So imagine folks are probably getting bored with me shooting this particular firearm. I'll shoot more different firearms. I only own a handful though. But out of the ones I own, this one is becoming, if not already, my favorite firearm. It's just really accurate and really easy to shoot, and as you've seen, really deadly. Just think if you needed more penetration, just add a hard cast lead ball to it. And I may do that on another video, see how a hard cast compares. But man, I would not want to be hit with a pure lead round ball out of this thing. And later, my friend Kaido Ojamaa, I guess I'm saying that last name right, he is sending me some of his custom-made hunting bullets for the regular old army to try, and I'll give them a try in a refrigerator or something to see how they do too. Anyway, this is Johnny, the Shotgun Kitty, over and out.